Salman's film is here, but does it live up to expectation? Whenever a Salman's film releasing, fans' expectation skyrocket. But the real question is, was Sikandar just hype, or does it truly deliver? Let's dive into the reality without wasting any time. Releasing in 2025, Salman's Sikandar has created a massive buzz among audience. Directed by A.R. Murgadosh, this high-octane action drama showcases Salman in his signature swag and power package avatar. But the big question is, does the film truly meet expectation, or it is just another overpaid Bollywood spectacle? Let's analyze it in the detail. Bai's brought back his raw, angry young man person that one made him a egg megastar. Bai has brought back his raw, angry young man person that one made him a megastar. Every punch shows, every dialogue carries intensity, and every entry brings thunderous applause. This time, he is not just fighting a villain, he is against the entire world, and he is creating havoc all alone. Exploding that sequence, every punch from Bai triggers whistle in theaters. Powerful background score makes every scene 10x more intense. VFX and stunt Hollywood level visual treatment that make you feel inside the screen. Rashmika Mandana's innocence adds a emotion twist to this action package. Salman Khan leaves the role of Sikandar, delivered what could be one of his best performances. A gripping plot. Bai is not just delivered action, he is also serving emotional punch. The returning point. The second half takes a dramatic twist, making you edge of your seat. Climax hits you stand in the heart. First day houseful theatre public is going crazy. 500 crore plus quantitative competing with Pathan, Jawan and Pushpas 2. Not just India, Sikandar is creating waves horses too. From the first scene you realize there nothing new. Same old plot. Bai talk about humanity, charity and organ donation. The real problem, it is predictable. No twist, no surprise, just a structured out script. Bai is you wanted to repeat a film, you have re-released Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Watching the action scenes feel like physics and logic have resigned. Bai throw and punch and 20 villain fly. Some even fly without being hit. The stunts are so fake that even Marvel might appreciate. Bai add some realism, or even fans will starting flying away. Salman's screen presence is strong, but where the acting? His face looks so overly editing that inside a AI enhanced look. He should have gotten a better script. Even talented actors like Sharman Joshi are wasted in weak roles. The supporting cast acting just a namesake. No performance stand out. If Salman's watched this film unedited, even his mate is disappointed. The music is so ordinary that you forget the song the moment the film ends. The dialogues are so weak that no scene gets applauses in the theater. By once upon a time you gave iconic likes in एक बार जो मैंने कमेंटमेंट कर दी. But now even the script writer seemed bored. Salman's die-hard fans will watch this film, but can films have only stardom? 4-year fans have demanded strong storyline, but all that get is a Eid blockbuster filled with hype. Baijaan's fans few ticket for your name, but they deserve a genuinely great film. As always, the film's marketing ensure a massive opening weekend, but what next? Word of mouth will be so bad that theater will be empty by the second week. Why? If the goal is just a Eid profit, why not re-release old super hits? At least the audience will enjoy quality cinema. If you are a die-hard Salman fan, you might enjoy the film, but if you expect a solid story, intense action and stellar performance, you will be highly disappointed. Watch it, you get a free ticket. Even on OTT things twist. By it's time to impress fans not just with stardom, but with a genuinely great film. See you in the next blockbuster review. Stay tuned.